A. What data structure is used in recursion? A. Queue. B. Stack. C. Linked list. D. Heap. Answer B. Stack. Though, which sorting algorithm has the best time complexity in the average case? A. Bubble sort. B. Insertion sort. C. Merge sort. D. Selection sort. Answer C. Merge sort. Theme. In a singly linked list, which of the following is true? A. Each node has two pointers. B. We can traverse in both directions. C. The last node points to null. D. It uses more memory than an array. Answer C. The last node points to null. Char. Which data structure is used for evaluating postfix expressions? A. Queue. B. Stack. C. Tree. D. Linked list. Answer B. Stack. Though, engineering mechanics. Chair. What is the C unit of force? A. Joule. B. Newton. C. Pascal. D. Watt. Answer B. Newton. Sat. What does the term moment of force mean? A. The time duration of force application. B. The turning effect of a force. C. The area covered by force. D. The force acting at a single point. Answer B. The turning effect of a force. At. The center of gravity of a uniform circular plate lies at. A. The periphery. B. The centroid. C. At a point on the circumference. D. At a random location. Answer B. The centroid. No. Which principle states that the sum of forces acting on a body in equilibrium is zero? A. Newton's second law. B. Pascal's law. C. Law of equilibrium. D. D'Alembert's principle. Answer C. Law of equilibrium. Thus, in a freely falling body, what remains constant? A. Velocity. B. Acceleration. C. Momentum. D. Displacement. Answer B. Acceleration. Theme. Basic manufacturing process. 11. Which manufacturing process is used for making intricate metal parts with high precision? A. Casting. B. Welding. C. Milling. D. EDM. Answer D. EDM. 12. What is the primary function of a lathe machine? A. Cutting. B. Bending. C. Drilling. D. Forming. Answer A. Cutting. 13. In which casting process is molten metal poured into a sand mold? A. Die casting. B. Shell molding. C. Sand casting. D. Investment casting. Answer C. Sand casting. 14. What is the mere defect in welding due to improper penetration? A. Porosity. B. Slag inclusion. C. Lack of fusion. D. Cracks. Answer C. Lack of fusion. 15. In metal cutting, what is the role of coolant? A. Increase friction. B. Reduce heat generation. C. Increase tool wear. D. None of the above. Answer B. Reduce heat generation. 4. Basic electrical engineering. Solar. Kirchhoff's voltage law states that A. The sum of voltages around a closed loop is zero. B. The sum of currents in a junction is zero. C. The voltage and current are proportional. D. None of the above. Answer A. The sum of voltages around a closed loop is zero. 17. In AC circuits, power factor is defined as A. The ratio of real power to apparent power. B. The ratio of apparent power to reactive power. C. The product of voltage and current. D. The efficiency of a transformer. Answer A. The ratio of real power to apparent power. 18. A transformer works on the principle of A. Ohm's law. B. Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. C. Kirchhoff's law. D. Coulomb's law. Answer B. Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. 19. A DC generator converts A. Electrical energy to mechanical energy. B. Mechanical energy to electrical energy. C. Heat energy to electrical energy. D. Electrical energy to chemical energy. Answer B. Mechanical energy to electrical energy. B's. Which type of circuit connection is used in household wiring? A. Series. B. Parallel. C. Both series and parallel. D. None of the above. Answer B. Parallel. 5. Environmental engineering. 21. Which pollutant is responsible for acid rain? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Sulfur dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Answer B. Sulfur dioxide. 22. What is the major cause of water pollution? A. Industrial waste. B. Wind erosion. C. Excess oxygen. D. None of the above. Answer A. Industrial waste. 3. Which of the following is a renewable energy source? A. Coal. B. Solar energy. C. Diesel. D. Natural gas. Answer B. Solar energy. 24. The process of treating sewage water is called A. Filtration. B. Purification. C. Wastewater treatment. D. Evaporation. Answer C. Wastewater treatment. 25. Noise pollution is measured in A. Decibels. B. Pascal. C. Watts. D. Joules. Answer A. Decibels.